Hey all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another interesting and very useful video on kitchen, where we are going to see kitchen or countertop decoration and pantry organization and few zero cost DIY ideas to enhance your kitchen. I had already shown you a couple of videos on my kitchen. I know there are infinite ways to decorate or organize your kitchen because it varies from one kitchen to another and most importantly depends on the person who is styling or organizing it. Now this is my sister's kitchen and it was not in use for few months as they were out of station. So this is how it is looking before the makeover. So we had cleared off everything from this kitchen and washed it. I'm not going to show that cleaning part to you so that you'll not get bored. So without much ado, let's jump into the video. Here we have few old coffee containers, as these are glass containers. I don't want to throw them out. So I'm just upcycling them so that we can store any spices in it. This lace tape is from Amazon. It's really amazing. You can use this for any kind of decorations. Here I used it on these containers. Let me know how it is looking in the comment section. Here we are transferring our tea and sugar into new glass jars that we bought from Amazon. We badly wanted tea sugar containers, but nothing was coming under 300 rupees. That is within our budget and looks classy. So we thought that we'll mark it as tea and sugar on the containers with the help of the paint. And the next one is cutlery holder. The model which we wanted was not coming in our budget. So then we got this idea of giving a cutlery design on an old plastic container. This is also similar to a design that we saw on Amazon. Let me know how it is looking. Now moving on to the countertop part. There are two corners in this kitchen, but this is the corner that is right in front of our kitchen entrance, that is visible to everyone or the people sitting over in the living room. So that's why we wanted to decorate this corner. Here I am placing a chowki because wooden trays are a bit costly. You'll get it for more than 400 or 500 rupees, but this one comes under 200. And on this goes a crockery to hold the artificial flowers and couple of pickle jars to give that traditional and earthy look. When you display a couple of crockery items in your kitchen, it makes it look more beautiful. And next to this goes a chopping board. When we add couple of wooden items to the countertop, it makes it look so warm and nice. And next to this goes a pestle mortar and a small togra in which I have kept ginger and garlic. Let's see the final look now. Starting from this window, this is the main advantage of this kitchen, through which ample amount of natural light is coming into this room, which is making it look bigger and brighter. You know, when we have natural light coming inside, it gives us more comfort to work. And in this window, we have placed a couple of small ceramic decoratives and few teacups. And I have placed a money plant in a glass container in water, which is reflecting due to the sunlight and making it look even more beautiful. If you want to give that fancy look to your kitchen, you can display your favorite mugs or teacups in your kitchen. And at the same time, we don't even have that much space in our kitchen to place all these things. So that's the reason we have utilized this window space to keep all these things. And above this is the only shelf that we have to organize all our pantry. So this is how we have placed all the containers. Aren't these three jars looking so pretty? Let me know how it is looking in the comment section. And in this corner we have placed another money plant vine in water to hang it over the shelf. So that's the overall look, guys. I just wanted to show you how we can organize our small open kitchens in different ways. If you have really liked this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming up with more such videos. I'll post 2 videos every week, so don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss the notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how it is looking in the comment section. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.